Let's not waste any time and get on to the elimination.
Elimination Arena!
Last time, Spacebar, Tape, and Random Shape won the challenge, so they're safe.
I literally did nothing last challenge. How did I win? This game seems to be very unbalanced.
So now let's get on to the people who were actually up for elimination. Monocally, you're the first one safe with 1 vote.
Splendid.
Now, the bottom 2 are Final Exam and Jari.
Oh no, this is truly the end for me.
The last person safe is Final Exam with 3 votes. Jari is eliminated with 4 votes.
Aw man. Well, I had fun. Bye guys.
Your next challenge is to not speak. The first 3 people to speak will be up for elimination. Sorry, what did you say? I wasn't paying attention.
Ha ha ha, you spoke, so now you're up for elimination. Oh wait, I spoke, so I'm also up for elimination. Tape, why did you... Dang it.
Looks like Spacebar, Tape, and Monocally are up for elimination.